In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email rule in iCloud Mail. If your inbox feels crowded or you want routine messages handled automatically, rules in iCloud Mail can save you time. A rule watches for incoming emails that match conditions you choose, then performs an action for you, like moving the message to a folder, marking it as read, forwarding it, or even sending it to the trash. Start in a web browser and go to icloud.com/mail, then sign in with your Apple ID. Once your mailbox loads, look for the settings gear icon. Depending on your layout, you'll find it in the bottom left or the top left corner. Click it to open the menu, then choose Rules. This takes you to a dedicated area where all your automation lives, and you can come back here anytime to review or change what you've set up. Next, click Add a Rule, or the plus button if that's what you see. You'll set a condition first. For example, you might pick messages that arrive from a specific sender. This is the trigger that tells iCloud Mail which emails to act on. Keep the condition as specific as you need so you don't accidentally catch messages you want to see in your main inbox. After choosing the condition, pick the action. Common choices include move to folder to keep related messages organized, move to trash to clear out unwanted mail, forward to send copies elsewhere, or mark as read to reduce notifications for low priority updates. If you choose Move to Folder, make sure the folder already exists so the rule knows exactly where to put it. A descriptive folder structure, like separating receipts, newsletters, and alerts, will make your automation even more effective. When you're satisfied, click Done or Add to save the rule. New rules can take a little time to start working, so allow around 15 minutes for them to take effect. After that short delay, keep an eye on a few incoming messages to confirm everything is behaving as expected. You can create many rules, up to hundreds, to fine-tune how your inbox flows. Keep in mind, the web version focuses on the essentials, but those essentials cover the most useful actions like moving, deleting, forwarding, and marking as read. Rule order matters because they're applied from top to bottom. If two rules could act on the same message, the one higher on the list wins, so reorder them in the rules view if you need to change the priority. Also, rules generally apply to new incoming mail only, not to messages already in your inbox. For older emails, organize them manually to match your new system. That's it. Simple, reliable automation right inside iCloud Mail.